Hello, I wanted to come to you today and talk to you about my enchilada meal. It's quick, it's under $15. I have all the ingredients laid out for you, and I will have them down below in the description. So I have already prepared my sauce. I've made two different types of enchilada sauce and mixed them together. Also, I've browned my ground beef that's going to go in. I'm going to have two different types of enchiladas. I'm going to have regular enchiladas, and then I'm going to also have beef enchiladas for you. So I'm going to show you and come to you in part 2, but I have laid out everything. I'm going to have brownies, I'm going to have cornbread, and I'm going to have a salad. I have my pink lemonade there ready that I like. And so when you're preparing this for your husband or your significant other, then I want you to know that this is a very inexpensive meal to make. It's time, doesn't take very much time. So again, I have the ingredients here for you, and I'll have them listed below. If we're not, coming from Hispanic background, but your significant other likes enchiladas, here's a very quick and very tasty meal that you can prepare for them. And so I really like this meal. And again, I'm going to come to you with part 2. If you have any suggestions, post them below. If you have any questions, again, just post them below as well. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I will talk to you soon. I'll have a picture of my final presentation for you. But again, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon.